Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. How do you like this for an introduction? Face mask. So of course today is self-care Sunday. So I have not done self-care Sunday in probably about a month, probably the Sunday before Thanksgiving, because the following Sunday I was sick with the food poisoning, and then every other Sunday it's just been non-stop crazy. So right now I'm just doing a detox mask. So I like to do 2 masks and then some eye stuff. But so yeah, update on the kids. Let's see, Bella she said her tummy still hurts, so she's been complaining about a stomach ache for a while. She has one more day of her antibiotic medication, so we're gonna see how she is after tomorrow. So she's gonna take her last one today, and then the doctor said if she's still complaining about a stomach ache, then I need to bring her back in. So my mom said where she is pointing to on her belly button, it's more so like groin pain. So Mason I can hear him, he just woke up. He actually he was fine all night. He watched Santa Claus with Paul and I, so we 3 of us fell asleep, and he woke up when I woke up, and I said, you want to lay down and sleep with mommy? No, bed. So he wanted to go in his bed. It was actually kind of cute. So but yeah, no, we're just going to, well, I'm at least going to relax somewhat in the morning on Sundays. I love to do, like I said, my self-care, and then I prep for the week. So I want to prep and see what I need to do being the week before Christmas. So I've got goals. I have not wrapped any Christmas presents. I want to make sure everything's prepped and ready for Christmas cleaning wise. So hopefully I'll just plan that all out today, and then Paul and I wanted to run out to go grab something, and then yeah, pretty low-key day. Oh, that was a fake out. Bella, are you okay? Okay. All right, so we just got home actually from my parents' house. We left to go get my Barbie doll house. Paul actually forgot his mask, so he has to run back inside, but no, we just grabbed that, dropped it off, and now we're gonna go out. We have to go to Jewel's to get last minute stuff for Christmas, and then we want to go look at a new refrigerator at Lowe's. So that's what we're gonna do right now. All right, so we just bought a new fridge, so pretty cool. I showed you guys before we bought it, but we decided to wait on getting a dishwasher, microwave, and oven, just because we're more concerned with the fridge. But the girl told us there's another big sale like around 4th of July, so maybe that's when we'll kind of look into it. But right now we just really need the fridge. But really cool, different kind of ice maker and everything. Paul's excited for those nice holiday drinks or everyday drinks, whatever. So but yeah, we're gonna go get a quick bite to eat because we're both getting hangry over here, more so me than him. I'm hangry. I haven't eaten anything. You know, when you haven't eaten anything, you had a cup of coffee, you need food. So I just want to show you guys what my Barbie house looks like. So this is the front. So put a new battery in here, so this actually works. But right now, this doorbell is supposed to work, but it is not right now. So we need a 9-volt battery, and I have to go to the store to get a new one. But
hello, guys.
What?
Hello, guys.
Mama says it all. You're in the house, yes. So this is the front.
You
want to end it with me? Okay, so Bella's so excited.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog.
We're ending it, so you can't say welcome, you say goodbye.
Goodbye.
So we just got done putting Mommy's 1991.
And me.
Hold on, wait, shh. We just got done putting Mommy's 1991 Barbie dollhouse together with all the furniture. What do you think?
Yeah.
I know, she has been like,
Guess what, guys?
She's been like waiting for my dollhouse. What?
And Mommy was sharing that for dinner.
Oh yeah, we had salad for dinner. She likes salad. We had
and I
we got an extra
don't
salad.
like croutons.
Yeah, but she ate them all. Anyways, no, so we just got done putting my dollhouse together. Some of the stuff is part of the dollhouse, some of it's not. So everything pretty much works except the best part, which is the doorbell. I had a 9-volt battery, but the one that I put in there is not really working, so I wonder if I need a new one. So we're gonna buy a new one and see if that works. Otherwise, everything else works except for my kids are running around. Except for the nightstand, but that's okay. But we are gonna have fun playing with Barbies. See you guys in our next one. Bye.